Money ain't shit without game. They say all money, good money, but if you a dummy and spent, a fool and his money shall soon be parted. If you hang around 9 broke niggas, you bound to be the 10. Niggas handing out their cash cause they too weak-hearted. What's up, y'all? I'm back at it. I got a real quick video. I was just about to do some jerseys for my son and a couple kids on his team, and it just hit me, you know, something that is pretty helpful to help you in saving vinyl. This is how you start creating your stash on your scraps. This is how you can get your scrap game up. So I got everything that I'm gonna be using right now, and what I want to do is make sure I have all of these lined up, have everything. Let's see, I want to align them all to the left, and then I want to space vertically so I can move these all over here to this side, and I'm gonna bring this in. Actually, these could actually be closer to each other, because we're going to try to save as much vinyl as we can. That way we can get a good size scrap over here on this side, because later on, if somebody else needed a name or something like that on a jersey, here's a scrap about that size right here. So I'm going to align those again, space them vertically, push them up a little bit more. And now I want to bring this 24 in, and I'm going to make sure that it's aligned to the left side too. So there you go. Basically, we're saving, you know, from this side all the way over. You know, you got a 12-inch sheet, and if you took this right here, let's say I duplicated it and I wanted to rotate it. Grab the wrong one. Let me put that back. So now you see here, I got a whole nother name, you know. So that's a good size scrap right there. And over here, you know, you can use it for basically anything. You know, it's no telling what size of scraps that you may need. But that's just a little quick tip that I wanted to throw out there. I hope you like this video and the information that I'm putting out there. If so, then go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to me, share it with other people, let them know what's going on, and I'll be throwing more out there at you. And be independent, be individual, be you. I'm out. Give you $10, but I give you 2 on the strength. Enough to get you off my back, but not to do much work. Nah, get out and get your own, nigga. Thought you was grown. Now you running around talking about a pocket full of stones. Hit the street with high hopes and this shit went wrong. Thought you should be ballin', but you ain't Jim Jones. And you like to talk about how you handle your business, but all you do is talk, nigga, still ain't did shit. Get off your ass and get up off the block. Go and get yourself some game, man, and keep it in stock. Until then, everything you do is gon' flop, cause the game don't wait and the game don't stop. The money ain't shit without game. So get what you can get whenever you forget. The money ain't shit without game.